Hey guys, welcome to this Applied Gate course review. So, I have divided this course review into 4 steps. Firstly, I would be giving you the course introduction, free resources available for this course that you could see and decide for yourself whether this course is good for you or not. The advantages and disadvantages of taking this course, and also all the costing involved in purchasing this course, as well as I would be providing you one coupon code that you could use to get some discounts on this course. So if you move on to the landing page of this Gate Applied course, you can see the cost of this course, which is around 23,000 rupees, which involves test series and practice questions, as well as a service of query resolution that usually takes around 3 to 4 hours. They have 15 plus mentors that are alumni of top engineering colleges like IIT, triple IITs, and NITs. So, if we scroll further down, you can see their recent results with 40 of their students getting a rank below 100. If you move down, you can see all the subjects that they teach as part of this course. One facility that they have provided is that you can watch some of the demo videos beforehand to judge for yourself whether this course is for you or not. So if you click on any of the course here, one page open up that contains all the subsections that are part of this course. So there are some free videos available for you to watch that you could go at this link and watch and see for yourself. You can also attempt some of the practice tests that they have provided us. So these are all the subjects that they would be teaching. All these subjects are part of the GATE curriculum that you could refer. So some of the key features of this course are everything is taught from the scratch and there's mentorship and query resolution available. This is a hybrid model that it's not just only pre-recorded videos but also Shrikant sir conducts live sessions very regularly. So this is the team that is behind creating this course and all the curriculum that it has, and also the query resolution. So here are some frequently asked questions that the students must be having. So you can look that up here. Down below is the contact info for the team at Applied. You can call on this number or email at this email address provided. So one more feature of this course is that they have already provided us handwritten notes of the subjects that they teach in the video, so that we don't have to waste our time writing notes for ourselves. So if we go to CS blogs, here is a subsection that says complete notes for GATE CS subjects. If we go there, a page like this opens up. So this page contains the list of all the subjects as well as their handwritten notes in the form of PDF. If you click on any of this, you can download this PDF and see for yourself whether these notes are sufficient enough for you or whether you would have to make your own notes. Moving back, there's also a blended course available that involves placement preparation as well. So many of the third year students would face this issue that once they start preparing for GATE, their placement preparation takes a hit and they are not able to devote as much time to placement preparation as they would like. So the team at Applied Gate have come up with this merged course that is named GATE Applied with Placement Prep, that cost you around 30,000 rupees, and it also has 3 real-time projects using the concepts of GATE. So you get 18 months of course access for this course, as well as many practice problems. Weekly live sessions are conducted for this course as well. So this course would mostly be similar to the previously discussed GATE applied course. The only addition is all the placement prep topics are also discussed as part of this course. So here is the detail of all the real-time projects that they would be discussing, like automated IoT based system, desktop search indexing, and apparel recommended system. So they have also provided here the syllabus and curriculum for first or second year students as well as third year and above students. Scrolling below, you can watch some of the student testimonials and see how this course have benefited them. So you can look that up here. And here also they have provided FAQs that you could look. So yes, this was all about the GATE applied course as well as the GATE applied with placement prep course. Additionally, you can look up this GATE applied course YouTube channel where all the live sessions are conducted and also the free videos are uploaded here as well. So moving on to the cost, I've already told the cost for these courses are 23,000 as well as 30,000 respectively. Additionally, as part of their referral program, you can get a small discount if you apply their referral code of any of the existing course enrolled students of GATE applied. So this is the discounts that you would be getting. The discounts range from anywhere from 500 to 1000 based on the duration and the type of course you purchase. So my referral code is given down here as well as in the description box. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for holding through and listening to this entire video. Hope this helps you in making the right decision. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.